Hello, salutation everyone. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. Today I am making agua fresca, but it's out of watermelon. And all I did was I added my watermelon. I added some distilled water, blended just enough, not too much because I didn't want the seeds to be pulverized. I want to get the seeds out. But anyway, and just blend it. Now I'm going to strain it. I have this batch to do, and I'll bring you back in a little bit and show you the finish. So I wanted to show you, I just loaded the rest of the watermelon and I put it in there. I added water up to here. Really the amount of water depends on you. You can add more water or less. Sometimes I add a little bit more water to it when I'm done. It just depends. But I'm getting ready to liquefy it, and then I'm gonna strain it like I'm doing here. And what I normally do is I use the same container and I put it in there. If you don't have something, you can use that and house your juice in there. And you can add either straight up sugar, cane sugar, to sweeten it to taste, or you can add honey. It's up to you. You can also, I love it, once I make it, I love to add some seltzer water with it, and it just gives it a little fizz, and I love it like that. So let me bring you back in a minute. So at this state, I leave a little bit on my measuring cup, and it makes it easier. So I add my honey, and I just stir it until I dissolve it all, and then I pour it into my container here. If I have a little bit of space left, then I top it off with a little bit of water. And that's it. And then I put it in the refrigerator, and you can have it cold, you know, drink it with ice. You can add seltzer water, as I said, which is really, really delicious that way. If you like a fizz, you can also add a little bit of tequila or gin to it and make a nice summer drink, like a cocktail, and it's also delicious that way. But I just wanted to show you why I put it in here first, because it makes it a lot easier to stir than inside the container. So I'll bring you back in a minute when I'm all done and I pour it in the container so you can see. Here you have it, guys. Agua fresca, watermelon agua fresca de melon. So before you go out to the store and purchase a juice that's loaded with sugar and preservatives and whatnot, give this a try. Do this, feed these to your kids. Like I said, these recipes I have gotten from a blogger, not a blogger, a YouTuber, and her channel is called View on the Road, and she makes all kinds of agua fresca. You should check out her channel. But this is amazing, guys. Like I said, you can go ahead, add a little bit of gin if you want to make it like a cocktail, or add some seltzer water. But anyway, give it a try. If you love watermelon, you're going to love this. The other point that I wanted to make, I add honey to mine. Just remember that honey will change the flavor or the taste just a tad. So keep that in mind when you choose what you choose to sweeten it with, okay? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a blessed day.